Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create drop-down list in Google Sheets with multiple selection. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Google Sheet here and then simply tap on this insert. Then scroll down and tap on this drop-down here. Then you can see these options. You can select this drop-down and this is the option 1. You can rename it. Then the option 2, again you can rename it whatever you want. Then tap on this add another item and again you can rename it, and you can repeat this process whenever you want. So when you are okay, go ahead, tap on this done option. Just check this box here and then tap on done, and as you can see there is drop down here. Now you can easily select them and you can see this drop down is working properly. Now select the second layer, tap on this add rule, and again you can repeat the same process and you can add as many as you want. Just simply tap on this done and again you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create drop down list in Google Sheets with multiple selection. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.